nurture those potentials. To achieve this, sports infrastructures are being expanded throughout the state, already have mentioned by our Secretary, Tripura Sports Council. Sports and culture play an important role in building a healthy society. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji is encouraging various initiatives, including the development of infrastructures to bring the youth to the playground. As we know, he has already declared that Khelo India. It was never imagined before that it would be possible to organize games at night in Agartala. Floodlights have been installed at the Umakanto football ground, making it possible to hold various football competition during night. Over the past 6 to 7 years, a large number of sports infrastructures have been developed in the state, and many more projects are currently underway. As a result, our children are getting success at the national level competition. Recently, already have mentioned that 8 synthetic turf football fields have been constructed in Tripura, and work of one more field is underway. Work of one synthetic hockey field and one swimming pool has also been completed. Additionally, 2 synthetic athletic tracks have been completed in the state in Panishagar, Badarghat and other areas. These years, in our budget also we have included several initiatives for the Youth Affairs and Sports Department, which will further expand the state sports infrastructure. 2 multi-purpose indoor sports halls will be constructed in Kailasahar and Udaipur in the financial year 2025-26. Our Honorable Mayor, he was just telling me that one big this sports indoor stadium should be set up in Tripura. I assured him that of course we have mind, and in future we are going to do so. A 200-bed sports hostel will be constructed at the sports complex in Badarghat. During this period, 50 more open gymnasium will be set up at different locations of Tripura. Sports infrastructure with facilities such as gallery, an international standard swimming pool, a national football field and a multi-purpose sports hall will be developed at Bholagari in Agartala. This type of championship is not merely a competition. It's an opportunity for young badminton players to gain exposure. I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizing committee for organizing such a grand event. Players participating in this event, I would say, play with integrity, give your best and respect your fellow competitors. Win or loss is a part of game. So let us continue to promote sports, support our athletes and build a stronger, healthier and more united Northeast. Last but not the least, I urge upon all the players and dignitaries from Northeastern region, there is game, but after completion of the game, you must visit the different attractive transit tourist spots across the state. With this,